Good morning, traders. It's Tuesday, May 5th at 4:20 a.m. All right, I've got two stocks for you today. We've got MU and we've got PINS. And first off, I forgot to mention we have news at 10. We've got the JOLTS job openings, PMI numbers, services PMI, and non-manufacturing prices here right at 10 o'clock. So anyway, looking at MU, these largest trades in the last month, we can see the dark pool adding to their positions here. Look at the size of these shares: 600k, 1 million, 1 million, 1.3, all of these close to a million. So these are $500 million trades all in here. So we can see this, that we got a print, moved up, consolidated for a while within two prints, testing the print, testing, breaking above, right? So those are your swing entries right here. There's one pulling back to the print. There's another entry. This one came up, pulled back to a print. There's another entry right there, May 1st. And then we're off to the races. We got another 600k yesterday on that. And so we're moving up. What I want to do is switch to the weekly on this. There's more prints, the weekly prints here. You can see all of this here in the last week with this consolidation and moving up. So let's go ahead and map this out on both sides. We're going to be bullish above 596. Let's get above this. The ATR in this one's $30. It's $29.21 actually. So we want to get above 596 here. Target 600, 605, 610, 71, 612, 66 is a cam. Then I've got 615, 20, 630, 640, 645, 75 is R3. It continues to run. It doesn't hit there today, potentially another day. Bearish below 582, 75. Let's get below. See, this one opened, came down, tagged that cam, and moved back up. Let's get below this one right here. Target 580, 85, which is this 221k print. 577.86 is 600k. Then we've got 575.67, 575.40, and then we've got 570.03 as a cam down here. And then right here, this is going to be tough. I mean, we've got all of these prints. You've got the post market sitting here as well. So on this retracement trade, just be very careful, especially around this pivot. 200 simple, 200 exponential, and another cam and a print. This could definitely be end of the road here if we pull back this far. But then I've got 566.81 here, 560, 558.54 is S1 down here. But it looks like there's lots of support here on the lower time frame. Let's go ahead and look at PINS. They'd had earnings. Wow, look at this one take right off. So these are the ones last week. Let's switch to the last month. We'll look at these here. So we saw this prints here the last month coming in about here. We moved up. So this would have been a decent swing entry anyway. You just have to be patient with it a little bit, because when this happened, look at all the prints that we have: 200k, 200k, 1.7 million, all in here. And then we pulled back, increasing volume. Okay, waxing volume, moving up. Now, this was the earnings day at the close. Without earnings, that's a great swing entry. Look at the volume. Look at this. It looks like it's going to pop anyway, and it did. It went from $20 to $24. So let's map this out intraday. I'm going to switch this to the week for a second. Yeah, so that's, look at what happened all there in the week. So we'll go ahead and switch to the month. We're bullish above 24.50. I mapped this out here. We're very close to the 24.50. So what you'll do is if it's already past a level, then wait for the next one. Target 25, 25.50, 26, 27, 28. And then 28.50 is the 250 simple moving average. Right up here, 28.50 is the 200 simple moving average, and then that's where I ended on that one. So we're going to be bearish below 24. We've got this R5 here right at 24.02. This is also, we had this gap up and then we just went sideways the whole time. So we're going to be bearish below 24, target 23.50, 23.16 is R4. Then we've got 22.50, 2230 is R3, 2175 is a cam, 2144 is R2, and 2114 is R1. But look at this. Look at all of this support here. I've got my 200 exponential, 200 simple, all these pivots and cams. The only thing with this is a massive fair value gap from here all the way up to here. So this could retrace and fill this. It does look really strong though. So anyway, that's what we're planning out for today. All right, there you have it. Those are your 2 trade setups for today. So please like, share, subscribe, all of that great stuff. Sign up for our weekly dark pool report at mobyticktrading.com/weekly-report. And we'll see you tomorrow with all new trade setups. Happy trading, everyone. MobyTick has partnered with TrendSpider to bring real-time institutional trades to your charts. Click the link in the description below for more details.